Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your General Knowledge Virtual Classroom. So, before starting the chapter, let me once again remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video also with your classmates. So, let's start. In this module, we are going to discuss first chapter number 18, the numbers miracle. You can refer to page number 42 and 43 for this chapter. So you all know that India ranked second in terms of population after China. So it is a very difficult task to take care of so many people, organizing events for them, putting them into system, and it requires a lot of planning and time. It is a very time consuming and a planning full task, so we have to manage it properly. So in this chapter we are going to discover our India better through a few facts and photographs which highlight the numbers miracle. So let's start this chapter. First one is Indian Railways. It is one of the largest employers in the world. It covers 1,19,630 kilometers of total tracks in India. There are 7,216 stations in India. So it carries 8,500 million annually passengers. Okay, annually passengers. See the numbers. These big numbers shows the vastness of the Indian Railways or the spread of the Indian Railways all over India. Mumbai's Dabbawalas. This service was started in 1890 by Mahadeo Hawaji Bache as a lunch delivery service with about 100 men only. Today, about 2 lakh Mumbaikars get a home cooked food delivered to their workplaces. The people who are busy in their work life, they are not able to prepare their lunches, so they order these lunch boxes from the Mumbai's Dabbawalas, and every day 5,000 Dabbawalas or delivery men they deliver the boxes. So there is a lot of planning required for such a great delivery services. Another largest peaceful gathering of the people in the world is believed to be Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated in India. Hindu pilgrims from different places gather once in every 3 years at the Kumbh Mela. Okay, so this is a very peaceful event that is organized, and it is organized in rotation in Haridwar, Prayagraj, Nasik, and Ujjain. About 100 million devotees come to worship there, and about 30 million take a dip in the holy river on this most auspicious day. Tirumala Venkateshwara temple is also a very famous temple. Every day between 50,000 to 1 lakh devotees pray at this temple. It is located in the hill town of Tirumala near Tirupati in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh. People wait for 10 to 15 hours in long queues to get their chance of darshan. So about of they used to get their heads shaved and when they visit this temple. Jagannath Rath Yatra is also a very famous Hindu festival that is celebrated here. More than 1 million devotees gather at Jagannath Puri in Odisha every year for the Rath Yatra. This Rath Yatra is taken from Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple, and they used to live there for 9 days and they return to the main temple after 9 days. This festival is now celebrated in many cities, and it is celebrated, it is also nowadays they are celebrated in world also. Another largest complex of prisons that is present in South Asia is the Tihar prisons. Its official capacity is only 5,200, but it always has more than 10,000 prisoners in it. It is run by the government of Delhi. It is also called Tihar Jail. It is also called Tihar Ashram also. Why? Because
Its main objective is to convert those prisoners into good citizens. They organize workshops so that they can learn new skills, they can produce new products. They are encouraged to study, play sports, pursue their hobbies. Their products are also sold in the market with their brand name, which is called Tihar. So, this is it for today, class. You have to complete the filling the blanks of this chapter in your book only. And if you have any query, you can ask me in the next WebEx classes. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourselves.